Hey you guys, I'm here at a friend's house and look at this beautiful sage. I think this is pineapple sage. So I am going to take some cutting. So always remember, go to your friend's house. They always have something to share. Look at how beautiful pineapple sage. I wish mine had taken off. But mine is growing, but it hasn't taken off like this. Soil is definitely not as good in the homestead as it is here. Isn't it beautiful? Look how woody her stalks are. I want to almost compare it to like a hydrangea, panicle hydrangea bush. That's crazy. Now she says she can't have a garden like I can because the deer come and eat. So Peachtree City, there is a rule where you cannot harm the deer. You can't harm the deer that runs around. So they're protected by the city ordinance. So literally the deer will jump in everybody's backyard, eat all the vegetables and in the garden, anything and everything. And then it's like their own little backyard of food, you know, that people grow for them. So craziness, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to take some of the pineapple sage. Here's some dill. I'm going to take some of the seeds from the dill right here. I do have some dill at home, but again, definitely is not as healthy as hers. Isn't that beautiful? I love her little garden. All right, I'm going to get started.